Welcome back to our gardening channel, where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary growing havens. If you're planning to build raised garden beds or already have them, but struggling with poor plant growth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 best soil options that will make your raised beds thrive like never before. The foundation of any successful garden starts with the right soil, and choosing the wrong mix can mean the difference between a bountiful harvest and disappointing results. We've tested countless soil combinations and consulted with professional gardeners to bring you this comprehensive guide. Make sure to check the description below for detailed links to all the soil products we'll be discussing, along with mixing ratios and where to source them locally. Let's dig into these game-changing soil solutions that will transform your raised garden beds. The premium potting mix blend takes the top spot because it's specifically engineered for container and raised bed gardening. Unlike regular garden soil, this blend contains the perfect balance of peat moss, vermiculite, and aged compost that creates excellent drainage while retaining just enough moisture for healthy root development. What makes this soil exceptional is its lightweight composition, which won't compact over time like heavier soils do. The organic matter in premium potting mixes feeds beneficial microorganisms that create a thriving ecosystem around your plant roots. This soil typically contains slow-release fertilizers that provide consistent nutrition for several months, reducing the need for frequent feeding. The pH level is usually balanced between 6.0 and 7.0, which is ideal for most vegetables and herbs. When you fill your raised beds with premium potting mix, you're giving your plants the equivalent of a 5-star growing environment that promotes vigorous growth and exceptional yields. Compost-based garden soil earns the second position due to its incredible nutrient density and soil-building properties. This soil type is created by combining high-quality compost with screened topsoil and organic amendments like aged manure or leaf mold. The beauty of compost-based soil lies in its ability to improve year after year as the organic matter continues to decompose and enrich the growing medium. The microbial activity in this soil creates a natural slow-release fertilizer system that feeds plants consistently throughout the growing season. The texture of compost-based soil promotes excellent root penetration while maintaining good drainage and moisture retention. This type of soil works exceptionally well for heavy-feeding vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens because it provides the rich organic environment these plants crave. The natural pH buffering capacity of compost helps maintain stable soil conditions even when you add acidic or alkaline amendments. Over time, this soil becomes even more productive as you continue adding compost and organic matter each season. Specially formulated raised bed soil mix claims the 3rd spot because it's designed specifically for the unique drainage and growing conditions of elevated planting systems. These commercial mixes typically combine screened topsoil, compost, and drainage materials like perlite or coarse sand in scientifically tested ratios. The key advantage of purpose-built raised bed soil is its ability to drain excess water quickly while retaining enough moisture to keep plants healthy during dry periods. This soil mix usually contains a blend of different organic materials that decompose at varying rates, providing both immediate and long-term nutrition for your plants. The particle size distribution is optimized to prevent compaction even when the soil is walked on or heavily watered. Most raised bed soil mixes are enriched with beneficial mycorrhizal fungi that form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, dramatically improving nutrient and water uptake. The consistent quality and composition of commercial raised bed mixes eliminate the guesswork involved in creating your own soil blend, making them perfect for beginning gardeners who want professional results. The 3-way soil blend secures 4th place as a time-tested combination that many experienced gardeners swear by for raised beds. This blend consists of equal parts high-quality topsoil, aged compost, and coarse sand or perlite, creating a balanced growing medium that addresses all the essential needs of raised bed gardening. The topsoil component provides the mineral foundation and natural soil structure that plants need for strong root development. The compost portion delivers organic matter, beneficial microorganisms, and slow-release nutrients that feed plants throughout the growing season. The sand or perlite ensures proper drainage and prevents the soil from becoming waterlogged during heavy rains or overwatering. What makes this blend particularly effective is its versatility across different plant types and growing conditions. Whether you're growing deep-rooted vegetables or shallow-rooted herbs, this soil combination provides the right balance of drainage, nutrition, and structure. The three-way blend also improves with age as the organic components continue to decompose and integrate with the mineral components, creating an increasingly fertile growing environment. Organic vegetable garden soil ranks 5th for good reason. It's specially designed to meet the nutritional needs of food crops without relying on synthetic additives. This rich blend combines certified organic compost, aged manure, and natural mineral boosters to create a powerful growing medium. It's certified organic, so you know it's free from chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and other unwanted ingredients. You'll often find composted bark, leaf mold, and aged animal manure in the mix, delivering both fast and slow-release nutrients. What sets it apart is the high biological activity. Beneficial microbes work around the clock to break down organic matter and feed your plants naturally. Thanks to its natural ingredients, the soil helps maintain a stable pH level, which is key for vegetable growth. It also includes organic amendments like kelp meal, bone meal, or rock dust, giving your plants those vital trace minerals for better taste and health. If you're dedicated to clean, chemical-free gardening, this soil is the ideal choice. It lays a natural, healthy foundation for growing strong, flavorful vegetables, just the way nature intended. Sandy Loam Garden Mix earns 6th place due to its excellent drainage characteristics and versatility for a wide range of plants. This soil combination typically consists of approximately 60% sand, 30% silt, and 10% clay, along with organic matter amendments that improve fertility and water retention. The high sand content ensures rapid drainage, preventing root rot and other moisture-related problems that can plague raised beds with poor drainage. Despite its sandy nature, quality sandy loam mixes include enough organic matter to retain adequate moisture and nutrients for healthy plant growth. This soil type warms up quickly in spring, allowing for earlier planting and faster seed germination than heavier soils. The loose, friable texture of sandy loam makes it easy for roots to penetrate deeply and spread widely, promoting strong plant development. This soil works particularly well for root vegetables like carrots, radishes, and potatoes because the loose structure allows these crops to develop their full size and shape without resistance. The good aeration provided by sandy loam promotes beneficial soil microorganisms while preventing anaerobic conditions that can lead to plant diseases. Mushroom Compost Blend comes in at number 7 as a budget-friendly, nutrient-rich option for raised bed gardening. It's made from the spent growing medium used in commercial mushroom farming, typically a mix of straw, hay, poultry manure, and other organic materials that have been composted and aged. This process results in a dark, rich amendment packed with organic matter and beneficial microbes. When mixed with quality topsoil and materials for drainage, it forms a well-balanced growing environment ideal for vegetables and herbs. Its high organic content boosts soil structure, enhances moisture retention, and makes nutrients more available to plants. One thing to watch is its naturally higher pH and salt levels, which might need adjusting for acid-loving crops. That said, most standard garden vegetables thrive in this blend without issue. It offers a strong nutritional profile at a much lower cost than high-end commercial soil mixes. Even better, the organic matter in mushroom compost continues enriching your soil over multiple growing seasons, making it a smart long-term investment for productive beds. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to the 7 best soil options for raised garden beds. Each of these soil types offers unique advantages depending on your specific growing goals, budget, and plant preferences. Remember that the best soil for your raised beds is one that provides excellent drainage, adequate nutrition, and the right structure for your chosen plants. Don't forget to check the description below for direct links to purchase these soil types, detailed mixing instructions, and our complete raised bed gardening resource guide. If this video helped you choose the perfect soil for your raised beds, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical gardening advice. Share your raised bed soil experiences in the comments below, and let us know which soil type you're planning to try. Until next time, keep growing and keep learning in your garden paradise.